So it's an exciting day here at eFIXX, Gaz, one of our favourite days. It's race day.
Do like a race day.
We do like a race day. So we've seen the DeWalt cable stapler in a roundup.
Yep.
We've seen it as a review.
We did.
And we also went out on a construction site and saw it in action in the real world, which was really helpful.
It was.
But I think the proper test is a Gaz and Joe race.
It is.
Absolutely.
Hammer versus stapler.
Yep.
New tech versus old tech.
Absolutely, yeah. And we love old tech, don't we?
Oh,
yeah.
oh yes.
Got to learn to do it properly before you can learn how to cheat.
Okay, and we've got it set up behind us.
Yes, we've got 5 cables pinned at the top,
Yeah.
just dropping down the wall there. And what we'll do is we'll go for spacing, we'll go either the length of the cable stapler or the length of the hammer apart,
Okay.
and we'll see who can tack the tables the quickest and see if this is actually going to be quicker than the traditional hammer,
And therefore saving electricians time.
which we love. So I think we go back, we limber up a
Yeah,
little
here
bit.
we
Yeah, I've got my cable stapler loaded with staples.
I've got some in the hands, the rest will be
So
on the
you're
floor.
loaded as well, good stuff. So we're ready to go. Okay then, guys. So we've got gigs on, so we're ready to go.
We are.
No doubt there's going to be some clips pinging out the wall at some point, so we don't want to get those in our eyes. I'm just going to load up my cable stapler. So I'll get that locked and loaded. That's ready to go. Do you want to load up your?
Yeah, I'll just.
hand?
Yeah.
Just get ready to go.
Yeah.
Sure.
Put the ones I dropped.
Mind your knees on there, yeah. Preemptive. Okay then, so I think we're ready to go for it. So countdown from 3 and we'll start clipping.
That old chestnut. Can you just give us a second to get into position?
You get yourself ready, matey. No
Yeah,
problem.
okay,
I'm just gonna limber up.
Yeah.
Just do some stretches. Yep.
Okay.
Don't wanna
You
pull a
nearly
muscle.
ready?
I'm ready to go when you are, matey. Do you want to call it?
I'm nearly ready. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah. I'm nearly
There's
ready.
no, I can't see it from here. There's no
No. I'm ready.
no clips going in early doors. No.
Happy days.
Okay, right. Okay, let's count it down then. 3, 2, 1, go. So I'm guessing it's going to be another photo finish.
Yeah, it's really close. I'm not even halfway. Unbelievable.
I think maybe we fade to black.
Got 2 more to go. This cable clipping thing ain't going to catch on, you know. Stapling's the way forward.
Last one going in now. Now when we had the conduit race, Gads, when we were cutting the conduit, we had to go to a photo finish. Do you remember? We slowed the footage down
And I
so
won.
we could see who came in first, yeah?
Yeah.
We might want to go back and rewatch that video at some point.
It's closer.
Do you think we need a photo finish on this one, guys?
That is ridiculous. Different mindset.
Yep.
Supporting, stapling cables.
Yep.
Maybe the fixture isn't quite there, but you can give them a little whack with a hammer. I know
Absolutely.
it becomes a little bit.
Yep. So I reckon there's a bit of wiggle there, but you can just give them a tosh afterwards. But for sheer getting the cables in place and getting them supported, this I think is unbeatable, really.
Timber
Really
frame
good.
buildings.
Yeah.
You know, you're never going to see the
apply for
cables. They're going to be above, above plasterboard ceilings, inside the walls.
Yeah.
It's got to be the way forward,
Yeah,
isn't it?
and joking apart, it's not too heavy. You know, I'm not getting tired doing this. I was joking about my pulse, but there's just absolutely didn't even break a sweat. You know, so I think this has got some real advantages, and I truly believe that this will save electricians time.
And we like that.
We like that.